Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Huawei Mate 20 Pro and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection, it is required, and then you can enter the Play Store. And the second disclaimer is that you will be able to follow all of my steps if you've got your Google account added to the device. If you're not sure how to do it, simply check our tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this Huawei Mate 20 Pro device. Alright, so now we have to tap on the circle in the right upper corner, which is our account, and tap on Manage Apps and Device. And now let's tap on Manage, and here we've got the list of installed apps, so let's tap on Updates Available. And now we can check which one we can update. If you want to, you can mark all of them. If not, just mark those which you want to update, and tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. Now your device will download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.